is the break. So dun, 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 dun. So, hands come to your stomach. You're just going to hold it like this. Turn to your side. And it's going to go the walks that we did today in lines. It's just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? Then you're going to spin. 2, 3, 4, spin, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's move back, because this whole thing you're moving in to the gym, the stage, wherever. Yeah, no, this isn't fake. No, this is probably going to be for the next competition, hopefully. If we can do this. Yeah. Okay, so let's just do it by the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. だんだんだんだんだんだんだん in, you guys face that way. So you're facing each other. Then you do the land again. Dun, 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 face back. So you all should be facing back now. So you guys should remember you're going this way. You guys are going that way. But if the lines change and you're on this side, you should go inward first. Face this way first. So, dun, 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 and then your swing part. Whatever, we're just gonna do it around like this. Okay?
Wax on, wax
yeah. Wax on, exactly. Okay. The other way just wasn't working. So, and we're just gonna stay front. Dun 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 dun. Down, just keep this to your stomach for now. Down, 2, turn, 2, down, 2, turn, 2, down, 2, turn, 2, down, 2, turn, 2. Wind again. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 turn. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. 1, 2, turn, 2, down, 2, turn, 2, down, 2, turn, 2, down, 2, turn, 2. Right? Eventually, if you want to practice at home, it's going to go down, 2, turn, 2, down,